Hi, medyo Pampanganiban ganit Joshua. Ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga historical landmark and shrine na na-recognize ng NHCP or National Historical Convention of the Philippines. Ito ang Our Lady of Pilar na itinatag noong 1985. Ito ay matatagpuan sa Isidro Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Our Lady of Immaculate Conception Parish Church, also known as Kipayo Church, is located in Calabanga, Camarines Sur. It was established in 1616. The National Historical Commission of the Philippines, NHCP, declared it as a historical landmark in 1939. St. Joseph the Worker Parish Church, also known as Milaor Church, is located in Milaor, Camarines Sur. It was established in 1740. It declared as a historical landmark in 1939 by the NHCP or National Historical Commission of the Philippines. Holy Cross Parish Church, also known as Nabua Church, is located in Nabua, Camarines Sur. It was established in 1578 but current structure completed in 1700. It declared a historical landmark in 1939 by the NHCP. St. Anne Parish Church, also known as Magarao Church, is located in Magarao, Camarines Sur. It was established in 1811 but current structure completed in 1849. It declared as a historical landmark in 1939 by the NHCP or National Historical Commission of the Philippines. Mactan Shrine, a memorial park marking the site of the 1521 Battle of Mactan, where Lapu-Lapu defeated Ferdinand Magellan. It was established a national shrine in 1969. National Museum of Fine Arts, located in Manila. It was declared a National Historical Landmark by the NHCP in 2010 and now houses of the National Museum of Fine Arts. Quezon Memorial Shrine, located in Quezon City, dedicated to President Manuel L. Quezon in 1978. It was declared a national shrine in 1974 and a national cultural treasure in 2021 by the NHCP. Bonifacio Trial House, located in Maragondon, Cavite. The NHCP declared it as a National Historical Landmark on June 4, 1997. It